Hello everyone, today we will learn about Turtle Library of Python. We will see some of its functions and we will also draw some interesting patterns. So first we will create a Python file. So here you don't need to install this library, it is already installed when you download the Python. So now you have to import Turtle and we will create a screen, a pop-up screen will be created on which our turtle will move. So we can also change the background color. You can put any color of your choice, and then if you want to see the pop-up screen, if you run this program, then the screen will pop up and will disappear suddenly. So in order to stop it for a certain time, you have to just put a time.sleep. Now you can see in this way a screen will be pop up and here our turtle will move. So I'm just putting a comment. Now you can change the color of turtle. You can put whatever color you want. In this function, turtle.pensize will help you to change the width of the line which will be drawn by your turtle. So now here I'm specifying only value 2. You can also change the shape of your turtle. So you have to just call this function and you can specify the shape. If you want to use square, then just put square in it and you can write whatever shape you want. And then you can see, now you can see we have changed our turtle shape from triangle to square. Its default shape is triangle, so I'm just keeping it default. So I will use turtle.forward function. So this function takes speed as argument. So here I'm specifying speed as 20 and I want to move my turtle continuously. So I will put this thing in while loop. Now you can see turtle is moving continuously. Now I want to use my keyboard keys. So now for it to enable my keys, I have to first call this function turtle.listen. You can see it is a kind of initialization. So if after calling this function you enable your keys. So now this function enables your keys and now you can use this turtle.onKey. Here you will specify the function name which will be called as soon as you press the key. Like if here I specify the left, here you will be specifying the key which you will press. Like here I specified left, so as soon as I press key left, then the function turn left. Here you will specify the name of the function. So as soon as you press this key, left key on a keyboard, this function turn left will be called. So in this function I want to move my turtle in left direction, so I will specify turtle.left. So here the turtle.left function will be used to move your turtle in left direction, and here you will specify the angle through which you want to move your turtle. Like if here I specify 20, then it will move your turtle to 20 degree. And if you want to move your turtle to right, then you can just change the key value. You can specify any key, like you can use space bar or up key or down key, it's up to you. So I will just copy this function, and now as soon as you will press the right key on your keyboard, this function turn right will be called, and it was too fast. Here I'm just writing only one. So now you can see, as I press my right key, it turns to right, and if I press left key, it turns to left. So in this way you can use any key of your keyboard and you can control your turtle. You can also control the speed of this turtle using keys. So let me show you how we can do this. So I want to change the speed of my turtle. So I want my turtle to move with higher speed as I press up key of keyboard, and to specify the function. So this INC speed will be called as you press the up key, and the speed of your turtle will be increased. And here I'm specifying the down key. Similarly, we will be doing same thing here. So first I have to create a variable speed, and I'm initializing it with a value of 0.1. And now if I want to change its value in this function, so I have to specify it as a global, and so every time when you press the up key, the speed will be incremented by 0.3, and in case of down key, the just opposite will happen, and as soon as you press the down key, the speed will be decreased by 0.3. So now if I run this, okay, so now you can see, as I press up key, the speed is incremented. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you specify speed as a negative value, then your turtle will move in opposite direction. So you can see, as the speed value goes below 0, your turtle starts moving in the opposite direction. And you can see I can increase its speed and I can decrease its speed, and I can control with arrow keys. I can control the whole movement of the turtle with my arrow keys. So now I just want to show you how to draw some interesting pattern. I want to show you how to create a pattern, like here I will create a pattern of overlapping circles. So for that, in this array I will specify different colors which will be chosen for each circle. So you can specify any color, it's up to you. So first I have to choose color. Every time the color will be changed, and then a circle will be drawn. And here the turtle dot circle function will take argument as the radius. So if I want to draw a circle of radius 20 units, then you can specify 20, or you can change its value. Now I want to change the angle of my turtle so that I can draw overlapping circles. So for that I have to change its angle, and I have to use turtle dot left function, and I am changing its direction by 10 degree. And after that I want to hide my turtle, you can see. So here I have to comment all these things, and yes, I have to shift this statement here because we want to hide a turtle, and then we want to draw the circle. Now you can see the circles are drawing, and you can see this pattern. You can draw any pattern, you can try to explore many functions, you can go through the documentation of the turtle library.